All right, we've got a 12 by 14 foot patio, and then it wants to know how many 8-inch square paving stones. So 8-inch square paving stones just means we have an 8 by 8 square, and it wants to know how many will fit in. So I think the really important thing here is that our paving stones are 8 inches, but they give our patio distances in feet. So let's convert feet to inches by multiplying by 12 to get inches, because there's 12 inches in a foot. So 14 times 12 is 168. And if you don't know that, you can just use your long division or however you want to figure it out. That's 168 inches. And then 12 feet times 12 inches per foot is going to give us 144 inches. Okay, so a couple of different ways to think about this. We could either find areas and use math that way. So do the area of the patio divided by the area of the 8 by 8. So 8 inches by 8 inches. That's an 8. I could also think, okay, if it's 8 inches this way, so how many would fit this way? I'd have 168 divided by 8. So let me just write that over here. 168 divided by 8. Fortunately, those are nice numbers because 8 goes into 16 twice. And 8 goes into, so 21 across this way. Okay. And then we can see how many would go up and down by seeing like 8 inches down. So 144 divided by 8, again, because they're 8 by 8. And I think this is like probably the easiest math to do as opposed to calculating areas. So 8 goes into 14 once. We have 6 left over. Bring down the 4. 8 goes into 64. 8 times 8 is 64. So 8 goes into 64 8 times. So we have 21 across and 18 up and down. So let's see, 21 pavers across, 18 up and down. So if we want to figure out how many pavers total, we'll do 21 times 18. And I already see over in my answers, I can eliminate choice A. 21, that answer, that's just how many are in that top row, but we actually have 18 rows of 21, which is why we're multiplying by 18. So I'm going to cross that out. 18 times 21, that's like 20 times 20, which is really close to 400. So if I was in a rush, I would probably guess this. But I could double check by using long division. I could also say 21 is really close to 20, and 20 times 18 would be 360, so I feel pretty confident about this answer.